Me and Google, our relationship isn't in the best place right now. It's clear that Google doesn't care about ranking websites anymore. They just keep pushing all of our hard work down in the search results so that they can fill them now with those lackluster AI generated descriptions nobody asked for. And with their most recent algorithm update, millions of website owners have reported that their traffic has suffered a heavy blow. I got to ask, is Google mounting an attack against dealerships and small business owners? What's going on? Should we even be trying to follow their system if it's not working? I'm Michael Cirillo, CEO of Flex Dealer and host of the hit automotive podcast, The Dealer Playbook. And this coming November 19th and 20th, I'm thrilled to be joining you in Belgium and Holland with Marktplaats and DCDW. And there, I'm going to show you how you can remove your dependency on search engines, attract a more engaged audience, and increase profit opportunities for your dealership. And guess what? We're going to do it with the tools and resources you already have. During my session, we're going to look at real examples of forward thinking dealerships and what they're doing. And we're going to arm you with an action plan that you can take back to your store and immediately implement. This session, I'm warning you, will be interactive. You won't just be sitting there listening to me drone on for 90 minutes. We're going to get to work. So please come prepared. No philosophy, no grand ideas, just real, tangible action items to help you increase opportunities to grow your business in your community. I can't wait to meet you there.